Hey everyone, welcome to the Hagon Jones Homestead. It's middle of July 2020. We have had the driest summer on record. I think we went something crazy like a month and a half with 3 days of rain and hot temperatures. So I had some rain coming in and I picked up this IBC water tote. So I not panicked, but I rushed yesterday to build this water catchment system, and then of course didn't get much rain. So I'll give you a kind of a tour of what I did here and how I built it. I scored some eaves trough absolutely free from a garbage pile here on the property. As you can see, I got about 22 feet of eaves trough set up. It runs all on a downhill slope. I did about an inch every 10 foot of fall, just to give it a nice fall towards the rain barrel. This is the PVC eaves troughing. It was way easier than I thought to set up, and like I said, it had all the connectors, everything laying on it in a garbage pile at the back of my property that we just bought. So what an absolute fluke. So that's the eaves trough. And so what I did over here, and this is just a temporary fix. Like I said, I put this together last night, and I got this part went on in the dark last night. So the eaves trough comes in, goes through the window screen in the water bottle here, down into what's called a first flush system. So all that bird poo, gravel, dust, pollen, whatever's on your roof gets caught up in this. And down at the bottom here, you can see I have a unscrew, so you can unscrew it there. So after every rain, I unscrew the bottom and let out all the gravel and sand and everything. I did it already today, but it was filthy. Then once the water has filled up here, it hits this Y, and it has to be a Y, not a T, because if you got a T, some of that first flush could wash into your tank. So we've got the Y here, so the water fills up, comes back up, comes across to a T. The T goes into the tank, and then once that's filled, it will overflow out this tube. And what I did to help back it up is I've got, you can't see it underneath the screen, but I've added on, I'd say about 12 inches of tubing. So that tubing actually comes down into the tank to about here. So as it fills, the pressure will build up. It won't let any more water into the tank, and it'll come out and flow out here and overflow. But I was doing some calculations, and I need something crazy like 20 mil of rain off this roof with the square footage that the roof is to get any, or to fill this 1,000-liter tank is what I'm trying to say. So there it is from a distance, and you can see it was super easy. I picked up this tank used. It had been used for calcium, which, as long as it's washed out, I'm not too worried about. I've seen some out there used with, wood glue and that kind of stuff. I tried to stay away from those. I paid a little bit more for this one, just because I knew, not that I'm going to be drinking out of here, but hey, I want to water my gardens with it and all that kind of stuff once it gets filled. So there is the rain catchment system with a first flush. Thanks for checking out the Hagon Jones Homestead video on rain catchment and first flush system. I really appreciate you guys coming and checking this out. Don't forget to like our channel, subscribe to our channel, and like this video. It's really appreciated. And please, if you got any questions on how I built it, or you got any suggestions on how I can make it better, comment, let me know what your thoughts are. It really, everything helps. I'm learning as I go. Once again, thanks for checking out our video, and have a great day.